Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to create a sprite. So as default we have the sprite ones and you can delete the sprite. Now to create a new sprite we can use the pen tools. You can click here, pen, and will be moved into the custom here. So you can zoom in and like example I will draw rectangle. The next you can draw circle. Can move the circle object and then use copy paste to duplicate. I will use again the rectangles in here and then use the line tools to create line from this point into here. So we have this example sprite and you can select all objects and we can use grouping. Now with grouping you can resize the sprite like into here and you can click code to code the sprite. If you want to create the custom again, like I will duplicate the sprite and then you can use the flip tools to flip the second custom. So this is for the first and this is for the second. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to create a sprite.